name is Aluko. I've been with MARTA for 14 years. Due to the COVID-19, my job is more important than ever before. I'm here to sanitize the trains. I love cleaning, using the spray to spray the rails, everything in the train, where people hold their hands and stuff people touch. We sanitize all that stuff. We used to wipe the trains and stuff like that. Wiping take a long time, but now we have the backpack. It's more easier for us to spray. It's faster also. We clean the trains every night, sanitize them, and I do my very best. It makes me feel good what I do for safety, for people to continue riding MARTA and to enjoy the ride. I love cleaning. My name is Aluko and I'm proud to be a MARTA hero.